Awfully nice to see some sunshine this week with all those storms and the downpours and damaging winds in many parts of our state. So we bring back Storm Team 4 meteorologist Ben Gelber to explain why were those storms so intense this week, Ben?
Yeah, Jared, we had what we call a northwest flow pattern. That would be the jet stream around the edge of that massive heat dome in the central states where temperatures are getting up to 105 and hotter. So the boundary between the steamy air and cooler Canadian air became the pathway for powerful thunderstorms called ridge riders that build into that hot and humid air. Now, clusters of training storms Tuesday night, cells moving over the same area, put on a spectacular light show accompanied by torrential downpours of 3 to 5 inches, causing flooding. The storms were fueled by instability, heat, and moisture. A second round of storms Wednesday afternoon spawned an EF2 tornado in Goshen, 30 miles northeast of Cincinnati, with 130-mile-per-hour winds that damaged 200 buildings. Only 2 people were injured, which is very fortunate considering the storm's severity. And a second storm came out of that supercell and was declared an EF1 in Brown County. And then yesterday afternoon, a third tornado, and the second one this week in Claremont County, right here in the northwest near Loveland. So July, not being a typical tornado month, has gotten very active because of this extreme pattern. July is famous for lightning. Lightning is our biggest concern in July, and heavy downpours. In fact, you'll notice our 3.7 inches of rain was the 4th wettest day in Columbus history, but notice the wettest and the 3rd wettest were also right around this time in the middle of July 1992, over 5 inches, and 3 3/4 inches back in 1879.